All right. Okay. So here what I have done is first you need to understand that which object you should write the trigger. All right.
Okay.
So can you guess which object you should write the trigger, because account is the parent and child
Yeah.
is the opportunity, correct? So
Yes.
which object should we use to write the trigger?
Yeah. So we will go for opportunity because opportunities keep on changing.
Hmm,
So
correct,
that's the
correct.
reason we
Right,
go
right.
for.
Yeah. So what will we do here? We will track all the opportunities from the trigger.new. We will fetch the parent accounts of all those opportunities and pass it on the handler. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how to do it? So first you create a list of account IDs. Then forget about the identifier. We are not using it. So let's say this is the list of account IDs. All right. And we are
Okay.
checking whether it is a delete operation is going on or non-delete operation is going on. Because
So
depending
why?
on that, we should pass the context as well. I mean, it can be trigger.new or it can be trigger.old. Correct?
No, no,
If it
no. I'm still stuck in why we should go for delete.
if some opportunity is deleted, let's say parent has 5 opportunities, correct?
Okay.
And the 5th opportunity is having the highest amount. So now the
Um,
5th opportunity is deleted,
okay. Okay.
correct? Then
Yeah.
we need to compute the highest amount again for the account, correct?
Yes.
And let's say the 5th opportunity we deleted, we are undeleting it again. So again, we need to compute it again, correct?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So we will check here whether it is a operation or non-delete operation. So if it is a
Okay.
non-delete operation, so we will track the opportunities from the trigger.new context.
Okay. So it is like undelete in 13th line.
Yeah. So undelete, update, and insert, all these 3 operations are non-delete operations, correct? And for all these
Mm.
operations, the context will be trigger.new.
Yeah. Yeah. I got that. But uh, is delete like in 13th line we are going for is delete, right?
No,
So
it's not delete because there is an exclamation,
okay.
so
Okay.
which
Okay.
means
I
it
missed
not
that.
equals
Yes.
to
Yeah.
delete.
Got it.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So if that is the case, then we will go for the trigger.new context from the opportunities. We will
Okay.
take the account IDs from parent account IDs from all those opportunities and store it in the account ID list.
Okay.
Similarly, if it is a delete operation, then we will take all the opportunities from the trigger.old context, fetch the account IDs, store it in the account IDs.
Okay. In real time scenario,
Mhm.
like do like this because why we need a deleted records?
Yeah, of course. Of course. Let's say some user delete the opportunity records, then you should compute it again, right? Got it, correct?
Yes. 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 For example, the fourth, like the
Mhm.
last highest amount should
Hmm.
get updated. Okay. 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 Yeah.
It's not that. Let's say we have 5 opportunities. Okay.
Okay.
So let's say 5th is the highest, second in the second is the second highest. So if we
Yeah.
delete the 5th one, then we should have, I mean, in the
Updated with the fourth
correct of
priority.
no, no, second one. Second one has the second highest, correct?
Yeah.
Second
Correct.
opportunity
Correct.
is correct. So that
Yes.
way we should,
Yes.
yeah. Whenever something changes, then we will recompute the logic again to get the
Got it.
correct amount. All right.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So okay, it's
So we are
the
just keep on adding the IDs to that list.
correct. So this is our first
Okay.
step, and
Okay.
then you will create a handler class and call that handler with by passing those account ID list. All right.
Okay.
So this is I have written for count of contacts. So I think I have written it also. Let's go back to that. Yeah, I think this is the one. No, no, no. Okay, give me a minute. Okay.
Yes.
This is the one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So similarly, we have done this. All right. And we have created a handler class that took, to fetch the maximum opportunity. All right. And let to
Okay.
fetch max. Oh, okay. So this is the handler class name, and we will call it here. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So okay. So just make it clear here. So this is the handler method. Okay. So actually, I was trying to write the two methods in the same class. So you can use a different class for that as well. Okay. So
Okay.
let's say we have the class all right, correct, and we just write and then we should write all right. Okay. Okay. See, we have created a new class with the trigger handler, and in that handler we are accepting the account ID list here. So just you can forget about the identifier for now. Just you can make it clear that the handler class is accepting the account ID list which we have already passed as argument.
Okay.
Yeah. So up
Okay.
till this it is clear to you.
Yes. Clear.
Yeah. So our next step is we need to create a map of ID and parent object type. Okay. So here our parent object is account.
Yes.
So we will create a map with account ID and account.
Yes.
And the next step, we will traverse the account ID list as I mentioned and add each record for each ID in the map. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
We will fetch all the records from the account ID list and we will put each record in the account ID map with ID is equal to account ID, which means we are taking the same ID and creating the new account for this particular map, and we are writing the max amount as 0. So this is a key step here. We need to write the max amount should be 0 first. Initially, when the
Initial
map
ID.
is being created,
Initial
yeah,
ID.
the max amount should be 0. And
Okay.
during the creation, the account ID should be the account ID what we have fetched from the account ID list. All right.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So now what will we do? We will get the opportunities. Now we need to traverse the child objects. Okay. So here the child object is opportunity. So we need to traverse through opportunity, and the query should be like this: the select ID, account ID, amount from opportunity, where account ID in account ID list. So we are fetching those many opportunities which are the child opportunities for the parents which we have fetched. Got it?
Okay. And here I have a
Yeah, tell me.
small query. So here, select ID, account ID, right? So account
Hmm.
ID is the field name from the account, no? Account
No, no,
object.
no, 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 no. It's a lookup field.
Yeah. If it is a lookup field, we will not write uh, dot relation. So that is for a
No, no,
custom object.
no, 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 no. You are no, not like that. So here we are taking the lookup field only. Okay, we are not taking any
Yes.
field from the parent object. We are taking the
Okay.
lookup field itself. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this account ID field is a lookup field present in the opportunity object only. It is not present in the account.
Account. Got it.
Yeah. So we
Yes.
are selecting ID, account ID, and amount from the opportunity whose ID falls in the account ID list. I mean, whose parent ID, the account ID falls in the account ID list. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
So this until this, it is clear to you?
Clear. Clear.
Okay, like let's make a note of it. So fetch the opportunities which are child to the accounts we fetched earlier. All right. Okay. So now we will check that if the opportunity we have taken in the for loop. So if
Yes.
that opportunities account ID is matching with the ID from account map. So get it clear first. So here we are, so in the left hand side, we are taking the account ID from the opportunity. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And now in the account map we have created. So
Yeah.
from there we are writing as account map.get op.account ID. Until
Okay.
this, can you understand? So from
Yes.
this map, if you like this, it will get the account which has the ID of the same opportunity's parent ID. Got it?
No. In 61st line, can
Okay.
you split it and explain? Yeah.
Okay. So here we can write like this: account ACC equals to, and then you can write it as ACC. So now is it clear? See, if we write as account map.get op.account ID, which means, see here the thing
You're
is
passing a key value, right?
correct, correct,
Key value.
right? So
Yeah.
that key is
Yes.
what? Opportunity is account ID, correct?
Yes.
And we are
Yes.
getting the account
Value.
from the
Value
map which
map.
has the same key, correct?
Scheme key. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And in the left hand side, account ACC. Is that
It's
uh,
we are creating a new object here. I mean,
object here?
right, right. Yeah.
New object. Okay.
Okay. Which can store the records of account. So here we fetch the accounts from the map using the key value, which is the account ID of the selected opportunity. Okay, got it.
Yes.
So now we will check if the opportunity we have taken from the for loop, so that is equal to the ID of which we have fetched using the map,
Yes.
correct?
Yeah.
So if
Yes.
that is matching, then we will check
Okay.
if the opportunities amount is greater than the accounts amount we have already got. Initially it will be 0, correct? Initially it will
Yeah.
be 0. So now let's say the opportunity amount is 10. So now
Yes.
10 is greater than 0,
Yeah.
and then again accounts max amount will be replaced by 10 here.
You're updating the percentage dot amount. So
Correct.
the for loop goes on, the highest amount will
Mhm.
get updated.
Correct.
Yes.
Got it.
Yes.
So in the final step, we will check if we will check all the values. If it is not null, we will just update the values of the account map.
Okay. Dot values.
Correct. So dot
Uh,
values will fetch you the account, all the account records from that map. Correct.
yes. But only object is not enough. Like
No, no, no.
update
Yeah, we need to update a object list. Okay.
object list.
Yeah. So whenever you call account map dot values, which come as a list.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right.
Directly you are writing
Correct.
it. You're
Yeah.
not storing it in.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Clear.
So okay. Okay. Let's say instead of this,
Yeah.
instead of fetching the max amount of the opportunity, you need to count the number of opportunities for an account.
Okay.
Then how can you write it? It's the same thing. Okay, just follow this model. Okay,
Yes.
so till now everything will be saved
Yes.
here. For we'll just create as there will be a count field, count opportunity,
Excuse.
so that should be 0. And here we will just write it as if. Okay, if. Okay, we will not check anything, we will not check anything.
We will
And
just increment.
correct. So here what will happen, acc dot count should be +1. All right.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's how it will work.
Yes, so clear.
Okay, there is another roll-up summary operation that is called summation, correct?
Yes.
And you can use the same trigger logic to implement the same. I'm also writing it down. So initially the sum will be 0, and like this we will just check for a non-null value. Got it? Okay,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
So this is for the count and this is for the sum. Okay,